Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how to install Roots Windtone horn in Suzuki Gixxer SF without warranty issues. The first step is to remove the pillion seat. After removing the pillion seat, remove these two bolts to remove rider's seat. Then remove the bolts from fairing. After removing the bolts, remove the side panels properly and keep it aside. And the first step is to remove the wire from negative terminal of your battery. This step is done to avoid short circuit. After that, you can remove the front grille from the fairing of your bike. This is done to find the exact place where to fix the horn in your bike. Now find a place to fix the Windtone horns. I fixed the horns in the place where fairing support rods are placed. This is the exact place we can fix the horn so that it won't interrupt grill fitting. I have moved the stock horn a little bit upper to accommodate Windtone horns. I am using 3-terminal toggle switch to switch between stock horn and Windtone horn. In this switch, middle terminal is connected to the green wire from horn switch. Out of 2 terminals, one has to be connected to Roots multimaker and the other has to be connected to the stock horn. I am using 5-wire melody maker for this project. Black wire from the melody maker is connected to the toggle switch. Other 2 terminal wires has to be extended like this. The red wire has to be connected via a blade fuse to the 12-volt positive supply. In case of any short circuit, this fuse will blow off and this won't damage any of the wiring of your bike. This is the pink wire from melody maker which needs to be connected to on-off switch of your bike. This is the extended yellow and brown wire from melody maker. Yellow has to be connected to high tone and brown has to be connected to low tone horn. On the left side of your bike you can see 2 clamps which is already present, which you can use to fix your melody maker. You can see a harness connection which you need to unplug. This is the harness connection from left hand switch gear. You have to pull out green wire from that white part of the harness. And you have to pull out black wire from this black part of the harness. These 2 unplugged wires has to be connected to the wires from toggle switch. On the right side of your bike, above the ABS pump, you can see this green color harness which is coming from on-off key of your bike. From that harness, pull out the white wire to which we need to connect the pink wire from the melody maker. After connecting the pink wire, you just plug in as it was before. Now we need to connect the wires from the toggle switch to the harness that we have removed on the left side. Connect the wires properly and insulate it properly. After connecting, again plug the harness back as it was before. This is the prepared wire that I am using for earthing the horns. One end of the prepared wire has to be connected to the body earth and other 2 has to be connected to horns. These are the 2 wires which are coming from melody maker which needs to be fitted to the horns. Connect red wire from melody maker means free end of your fuse to 12 volts positive supply. And the final step is to fit the negative terminal. And we are done. We can fit back the panels and let's check the performance now. Hope you guys find this video useful. Please comment, share and subscribe, and also share to your friends. I also kept the unboxing video of Roots Horn and Melody Maker in the description below.